Yeah. So this next one in my collection, I had to bring out. I have finer examples of better cars. But this one, I don't know if anyone can tell. I need some light. I don't know if anyone can tell. Look at the front end. It's missing a bumper. Whoop. It's got really neat headlights. Wheels are kind of smashed. It still rolls. Somebody tried to paint it. Plastic is pretty haggard. But look at that front end. You see what I'm talking about? That's a Super Beetle front end. Look at that. I have never seen a toy company make a Super Beetle. This one's by Majorette in France. Number 202. Volkswagen. Whatever all the other numbers mean. It's got tailpipes, bumpers in the wrong spot, missing a bumper in the front. Can you see where it broke off? Wheels are haggard. Look at that, a Super Beetle. Is there writing on the deck lid? You tell me. It's got a pretty good interior. Oh, look at the little sunroof. I should have said sunroof. Appropriate interior. Except if it's a Super Beetle, it's 71 and up, it should have high back seats, right? So why would they make the curved front end like a Super, but the interior is old? See the vents along the back window? Started in 71. 2 vents on the deck lid means it's a 71. 4 vents on the deck lid means it's later than that. Anyway, I want to show you this one. It's got a little tow hitch. Doop, doop. You can almost hear this thing running, the little tweeter pipes. All the wheels roll pretty good except for one front wheel. That one's just locked. But look at this. Even with a locked front wheel. Rolls pretty good. Meow. 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 Yeah, I liked it. A Super Beetle. Let me know if you like the old standard Beetles or Super Beetle. Nobody likes a Super Beetle. In the comments. Okay. Love you. Bye.